Hello guys, welcome to the CPG Markets Education channel. So today is Wednesday, also it's end of March. So what will happen for the rest of the week? So first of all, we are going to see what will happen for the rest of days. So let's find out the economic calendar first, and we see tonight at Tuesday. First of all, we are going to see the USD Chicago Purchasing Manager Index. So now the number for the last month is 49. So for the market expect was 40. It's still below the 50. So we are going to see, according to the last half years, the economic data, we see it's all below 50. We know the number if above 50, so which means it's increasing, it's good. If it's below 50, it shows it's kind of bad. Also tonight, USD consumer confidence. Okay, for tomorrow we are going to see this one, USD market manufacturing PMI. It's very important data for the PMI index. So it's still below 50. It shows 49.2. So according to the coronavirus, it's explosion over the world, especially in the United States. So all the data may be shows it's not going too well. Okay, also for tomorrow, we are going to see this data at 8:15. USD ADP employment change. It's decreased a lot. Okay, let's see Thursday night. Okay, another very important data for tomorrow, it's USD EIA crude oil stock change. It will affect to the oil price. Okay, at Wednesday night, we are going to see this one, USD challenger job cuts. Also, we are going to see this one, initial job climbs. For the last week, this number is increased a lot because I just said coronavirus explosion in United States. A lot of people cannot find a job. They lose a job. They need like extra fund, or they want government to help. Also at Friday night, it's April, first week in April at night. Yes. Okay. Let's see. Non-farm payroll index. It's very important economic calendar, economic data, and I will explain more detail for the next video. So this is for the economic data for the rest of the week. It's kind of important, but we already know in United States all the economic data may not shows good. Okay, this is for the fundamental analysis. Okay, let's go back to see the technical analysis. First of all, we are going to see the dollar index. So for the last day at Monday, dollar index stopped falling. It's going to increase, and today it's going continues increased, and also for the rest of the week, the dollar index maybe continue increased. The little pressure will be the 100 level, and the second pressure will be the 101 level. So for the strong support, it's around there. 200 movement average line, which shows 98.0. Also, the below the support will be here. It's around 96.70. So as we know that the dollar index may be continue increased, it's for sure Euro USD will decrease. We see for the Euro movements, it's always opposite from the USD. So the price decreased for the yesterday and now it's continue decreasing. The short support will be here 1.0963. Also, the strong support will be there 1.0900. A little pressure will be around 200 movement average line was 1.1100. Also, the second pressure will be 1.1200. Okay, let's see the British pounds. It's same thing. It's continue to decreasing, and when the last week price increasing stopped, and it's going to decrease, going to falling down again. Also, let's see the gold price. It's kind of like going to flat. Now the price is still stand up for the 1,600 level. So now the short support will be here 1,600 and the lower level will be 1,550. So the little pressure will be 1,650 and the strong pressure will be 1,700 level. So it's very difficult to say what's the direction for the gold price. It's going increase or decrease again. So it's now going flat. We need to wait to see when the direction shows clearly. Okay, let's see the oil price. Now the price is going flat, but it's still low. It's kind of above 30. So for yesterday, the price already hit the history lower was 19.27. But for the news for in the last night, Mr. Trump and phoned the president in Russia, Putin, and they negotiate with the oil price. They try to like force oil price and stay flexible and increasing in the future time. So we can see it's still very strong support at the 20 level. If the price below 20, the next support will be the 15 to the 18 level, and the short pressure will be the 25, and the next pressure is around 28 to 30 level. So now we still can buy the oil price. It's still like good investment for the value added price. Also, we see the last currency pair, it's USD/JPY. We see the price now stayed around 108. Now the price still a kind of the higher. It's movement around 200 movement average line. The best chance we buy the USD/JPY at 105 level. So the price, if we see the 103 level, I strongly recommend you just buy it. Now we need still can wait. So now for this week, the market like trade plan. First of all, we going to see the US dollar index is going increase again, which means Euro USD will decrease and the British pounds will falling down again. So also now it's golden chance for the oil price. Now it's just around 20. I strongly recommend for the long-term trade or like long-term investment for the oil price. For now, if the price we see around 20, it's value-added investment. So this is almost about how we make the trade plan for this week. And I hope you guys like it, and we see you next video. Also, for the next video, I'm going to talk about the non-farm payroll on Friday. Okay, thank you guys. Bye bye.